Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to build a knowledge base in VAPI for your voice agent. In this video I'm going to be building a customer support agent that can handle customer queries and answer FAQs. I'll be showing you how to optimize your knowledge base, how to prompt your assistant to use your knowledge base, how to create a knowledge base off custom PDFs and documents, and also how to create a knowledge base off website information. Before we start, I'd like to explain why we would use a knowledge base. A knowledge base is very practical for answering Q&As, where it can answer complex queries and provide detailed responses to customer inquiries. A knowledge base also ensures that your assistant provides accurate information to your customers, as well as having customization tailored towards your business. Alright, so for this example here, I've created a customer support agent called Ryan for a fictional tech company called Tech Haven Electronics. So now I just want to go over the key components of my prompt for this assistant. For my role, I've just said that you are the customer support agent for Tech Haven Electronics, providing customers with info about our products, services, and troubleshooting steps, and that your goal is to assist users with their inquiries efficiently, ensure customer satisfaction, and escalate issues to a human representative when needed. For handling user inquiries, I've explicitly told it to accurately tell all the user the questions using the knowledge base provided. For response tone, since this is a customer support agent, I've told Ryan to use a friendly, helpful, and professional tone at all times, to be empathetic and patient with users, especially when guiding them through technical issues or troubleshooting, to maintain clarity and simplicity in your responses, and to always encourage positive engagement and make them feel supported throughout each interaction. For troubleshooting and escalation, I've said if the user reports an issue that requires detailed troubleshooting, then it should follow the steps outlined in the knowledge base. And if the issue persists or is complex, then to offer to escalate the case to a human for further assistance. And then finally, to always make sure that the customer is satisfied. So at the end of each conversation, to always ask if their issue was resolved and if they need any further assistance. And to basically just always thank them for their time and provide a smooth and happy customer experience for the user. So this is my knowledge base that Ryan will refer to. It's a 5-page PDF sectioned up into 5 different sections. The first section here is just general information. So we just have the store hours, address, contact information, and additional info. The second section here is just the services offered. So Tech Haven offers device repairs for smartphones, laptops, and tablets, smart home device setup, and a trade-in program. Section 3 is just the products and pricing for the smartphones, laptops, accessories, and smart home devices. Section 4 are just FAQs. So if a customer asks an FAQ, our voice assistant will pull from this knowledge base and accurately answer the question according to what they ask. And then section 5 is just the troubleshooting guide. So if a customer doesn't know how to turn the smartphone on, our assistant can guide them through these steps. For Wi-Fi connection issues, laptops running slow, smart home device not responding, and then for screen flickering or display issues, our assistant will follow all these steps for troubleshooting and helping out our customer. So now to upload this file so that our assistant can pull from it, we're just gonna go hit files here. We'll hit choose file, and now I'm just gonna pick my Tech Haven knowledge base PDF here, hit open. And then now this file is uploaded into our VAPI account. So now we'll go back and hit assistants. We'll scroll down here, hit select files, and then we can just choose our knowledge base here. Then we'll hit publish. For the model of our assistant, we'll just change this to 4.0 mini cluster. And then for temperature, we'll set it to a lower temperature at around 0.2 or 0.1 would be good, because the temperature determines how random or deterministic our answers are. And since we have a customer support agent, we would want our answers to be more deterministic. So setting a lower temperature would prevent our agent from giving such creative answers and would give more straightforward and accurate answers from our knowledge base. And then in terms of escalating to a human representative when needed, down here to escalate to a human technician for further assistance, we could put something in our prompt like use the transfer call function if a customer wants to talk to a human technician. So here in the VAPI documentation, we have a predefined transfer call tool where it enables you to forward to a predefined phone number with a specific message based on the destination. So here under functions, if we scroll down a little bit, we have this forwarding forward number. So you could just type in whatever phone number we want. Obviously, because this is a demo, I won't be forwarding it to any real number, but in a real use case, you could have it forwarded to whatever number or department you want it to. But for this demo, we can just take this back out. But that's just an option for you if you're dealing with live transfers. So now let's talk with our assistant to test out our knowledge base.
Hello, this is Ryan from Tech Haven Electronics. How may I help you?
Hi, how much are your smartphones?
Our smartphones start at $599. If you have a specific model in mind or need more information, feel free to ask.
Yeah, do you repair water damaged phones?
Yes, we specialize in water-damaged phone repairs. The price will vary depending on the severity of the damage and the specific parts required. Water damage repairs can be complex and may take longer than standard repairs. If you need assistance with a specific device, let me know.
Yeah, my smartphone's not turning on. Can you help me out with that?
Of course, first, let's check if your device is charged. Please plug your phone into the charger and leave it for at least 15 minutes. Once you've done that, could you let me know what phone you are using?
Yeah, I'm using the iPhone.
Great. For your iPhone, please follow these steps. 1. Press and quickly release the volume up button. 2. Press and quickly release the volume down button. 3. Finally, press and hold the side button till the Apple logo appears. Let me know if that helps or if you need any additional assistance.
Yeah, that worked. Thank you.
If the iPhone... I'm glad to hear that it worked. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
So that was our demo call using our fake knowledge base that I created. Now I want to show you guys how you can utilize this as a real use case with website data. So for this example, I'm going to be using Apple Care's frequently asked questions website. So here on this page, they basically just have a bunch of FAQs regarding their Apple Care protection plan. So I'm going to show you how to turn this web page into a smartly formatted Markdown knowledge base for your VAPI agent. So to do this, what you're going to want to do is just copy their URL, head over to a web page like to the web. This website basically just converts HTML to text. So here we'll just paste in the website URL, select I'm not a robot, and then convert it to text. Now we can see that this web page here has been converted into text. Now what we want to do is just hit copy all text and then head over to ChatGPT. From here, we'll just say something like, please format this smartly and in Markdown format. And then we'll paste our HTML, hit send. And then now using ChatGPT, we have successfully converted this web page into a smartly formatted Markdown code for our VAPI assistant to read. From here, we'll just hit copy code. And to show you guys what that looks like, I'll just paste it into something like a Markdown to HTML converter. So this is basically our knowledge base from this web page. We have the shop and learn section, Apple Care products, entertainment, Apple Store for business, and all this stuff, additional info. So now we'll go to something like a Google Doc, and then we can just paste this Markdown knowledge base. And then from here, we can just go hit file, download, and then save it as a PDF document. And then if we head back over to VAPI, now we can just go back to our file section, hit choose file, and now we can choose our untitled document / Apple FAQ page, hit open. Now it's successfully uploaded. We'll head back to assistants, go to our knowledge base, and then select our document here, and then hit publish. And then to test this knowledge base out, I'm just going to change a few things from this prompt. So I'm just going to change Tech Haven to the Apple Care Protection Plan Department. Change this to Apple. This to Apple's Apple Care Department. This to the Apple Care Protection Plan. I'll just remove all this, and then hit publish. And then now we can just talk with our assistant.
This is Ryan from the Apple Care Protection Plan Department. How may I help you?
Hi, where can I purchase the Apple Care Protection Plan?
Hello, thank you for reaching out. You can purchase the Apple Care Protection Plan at the Apple Online Store, through Apple authorized resellers, or from wireless service providers. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
Yeah. Is the Apple Care Protection Plan transferable?
Yes, the Apple Care Protection Plan is transferable. If you sell or give away your Apple product, you can transfer ownership of the Apple Care Protection Plan to the new owner. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, just let me know.
Yeah, how do I initiate repair service under the Apple Care Protection Plan?
To initiate repair service under the Apple Care Protection Plan, you have a few options. 1. You can bring your product to an Apple authorized service provider. 2. If you have a desktop Mac, you can contact Apple to arrange for an authorized repair at your location. 3. In some cases, Apple may send you parts and instructions so you can service your product yourself, especially for accessories. All repairs are performed by Apple authorized technicians using genuine Apple parts. If you have any further questions or need assistance with the process, feel free to ask.
No, that's good, thanks.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any
So that was our demo using a knowledge base source from Apple's website. The assistant rambled a little bit there, but we can customize that knowledge base in a way where we can get our assistant to give the type of responses we want and also within the length that we want. But I just wanted to show you the quick framework of extracting a website into a Markdown knowledge base. So that's it for this video. Hopefully I've showed you how to create a knowledge base in VAPI using custom PDFs, using website data, and just in general, the benefits of implementing a knowledge base into your voice assistants. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and also comment below any thoughts or future video ideas.